Hey everyone, welcome back to Stitcher's Castle. Today I'm so excited to share with you a stamped cross stitch kit I picked up from one of my favorite online crafting stores, which is Biggest Craft. The title of this piece is Fantasy Train Scenery in 11 count. And so I'm so excited to share this one with you, and I have not opened it yet. I waited so that I could share this this opening with you all. So this one comes with pretty much everything you'll need to complete the project. It includes the Aida cloth, your embroidery needles, thread, and instructions. So go ahead and take a look. So this is how it comes. And it comes in one of these clear plastic bags, like so. So first of all, here is your cross stitch pattern. This one is measures at 50 centimeters by 60 centimeters. So the finished piece. As you can see here, it's an 11 count. And so this pattern comes on white glossy paper. It's really sturdy, but I don't really refer to these much, but it's just good to have because your pattern is going to be stamped on your Aida cloth. So this is for reference though. And on the margin here, we can see that this one is, let's see, show that. 40 colors total, 40 colors. And I just love trains, and so I was excited to get this one. I was fascinated with the look of the train and the trestles, and I think it's beautiful, and the contrasting colors of the train, the body of the train with the mountainside, it just looks great. And then yeah, it's just a wonderful like nature scene, and then with the train passing through. So this one actually comes in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 styles. I ended up choosing style number 1 at Biggest Craft. Although there are, like I said, 6 of them. The one I selected features like a copper body train, and there's so much more to see on Biggest Craft of this kit. If you want to look at the other styles, you can find it there. I'll link the item in the description. Anyway, here's the Aida fabric. It is serged all the way around. Yeah, like so. This one is a little, I would say this is like a medium-sized project. It looks very pretty. Um, there we go. And it's serged all the way around, so that'll keep it intact for you as you work. This one appears to be all in full stitch, as indicated on the Biggest Craft website. Yes, this is a full stitch piece in its entirety. Okay. Next, we have our embroidery threads that come with your kit. Okay. This comes in a resealable bag. And put the mother out. Gloss. And have the separate schemes that will be needed for your project. Those lovely pieces, as well as this navy. That's really beautiful. This is cotton thread. And then here's our thread card with all of the required colors. Let's see. This one here, which is really, really beautiful, as you can see. That is lovely. This card contains 36 colors. So this one has 36 total. And then there's an additional card here with, let's see, four more colors for your project. Like so. Okay. So plenty to get into here. With this being all full stitch, this should be an easy piece to complete. And again, you got your extra skeins here. Well, not extra, but additional. Okay. This one comes with the tools that, well, some extra tools for you. There's a yellow poof ball, a thimble, 5 needles, and a threader in a little resealable bag with a deer motif on it, green deer motif. It's really cute, a nice touch. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to this. I'm so looking forward to this project. I just love the look of trains and all the great memories I have of catching the train and relaxing on a train ride, and the architecture of the trestles in this piece are so beautiful, and with the stonework and everything contrasting with the mountains, it just looks like a lovely, as it's called, a fantasy train scenery. It looks real, but it also looks like a fantasy too. So I'm looking forward to getting into this one. And if you'd like to pick it up, it's available on Biggest Craft. Again, it's the 11 count, 50 centimeters by 60 centimeters. I picked it up for $13.99. It comes in 6 beautiful styles. You could, of course, pick up more than one if you want to have like a collection of these beautiful train sceneries. But yeah, I'm happy to share it with you, and I look forward to sharing the next one with you. And thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and I look forward to engaging with you. Thanks so much.